No. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Francia, and I am back with another video. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is a Shein haul, and this is a fall edition. Listen, it's getting cold, okay? Let me tell it. So even something like this that I got to go to the gym, like, it has been keeping me warm all day to keep myself warm and cozy as much as I can. So I got these pieces from Shein. So I'm gonna try them on, do a haul for you guys, see how they fit, if I like them, if they stay in, if they're being added to the cozy catalog. Without further ado, I'm not gonna do too much talking, too much of the blah blah blah. Let's get straight into the video. And make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, and smash that notification bell if you haven't already, because what are you doing? What I got. Let's get into something. I'm gonna start with the packet that wasn't in there, which is this. I might need a scissors because this is giving very much a comforter. It's giving, you know, those things. Whoa, this is huge. This is a coat, you guys. Like, I don't like when I'm walking and like when I'm outside and you know it's really cold in cases like these, it's really windy and I can feel my legs getting cold and shivering. And I can feel the hairs on my leg rising. I don't like that. So I wanted to get me a coat that is actually longer and very, very like tall. And looking at this looks like it reached the floor, okay? But it's giving. I got this in a size, what size I guess? 8 size, I think that's medium. So it stops here. Okay, and it looks like you can obviously open it there. This is giving comforter. Okay, now let's zip her up. I already feel so warm. Oh my gosh, I already feel so warm. Look at that! I feel so warm and I know, oh my god, like yo, this goes all the way down to my shimmy shin. Look at this, y'all. It is so comfy. And the best part, it got a hoodie as well. So I could pull that up if I wanted to, but I don't want to. I'm warm and I love the color. I love me some khaki. Get into it though. Like, she's cute. She's cute. I'd rate this 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I didn't really think I was gonna find me a coat that it was actually this long. I thought everything was gonna be like, you know, past your knees type length, but no. Get into it though.
A few moments later.
Next, I'll just leave it on. Could have sized down a bit in this. Still, like, I feel like there's still a lot of room.
later.
I like it. So it's really short, this little dress. I would wear this with some stockings or some tights. Because your girl is not going out with this and nothing underneath, okay? First of all, we don't want no ashy legs. Second of all, I don't want the cold. I don't like feeling the cold on my legs. Like, So I have to wear some tights with this. Thick Nike socks. Like I have one now. But yeah, I like it. Quick errand, a quick Sunday service. I like it. It's real cutesy, very demure, very considerate, very mindful. I would wear this like open though, with a bra, a black bra. Another plaid. I'd wear it regular, closed up, with some black leggings, some Doc Martens, or some black heels or boots, a black bra, or a black singlet underneath. But because I have on some tights, which I some boots as well. Obviously not to go with this outfit. I got me some boots. I'm not doing no styling in this video because yeah, I got me some boots. I keeps me a boots. I love me some boots. This puffer jacket. Obviously, I wouldn't wear this with this outfit unless it's a nice cunty, nice crop black top under here, and yeah, something. Or a bralette. I love me a puffer jacket though. Like, if you haven't noticed, I love me a puffer jacket. So warm and cozy. Like, it's like a big bear hug. A bear hug that I didn't know I needed. This isn't a styling video, you guys. This is just a try-on haul, okay? So this is not how I would wear these outfits. But this though, I wouldn't mind wearing this with a black crop top underneath and some high heel boots or something. She's so ghetto.
5 minutes later.
Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short haul of mine. It's like a mini haul. It's nothing grand. It's nothing big because yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions in terms of the items that I got here, drop them down in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, this was just a little fall 2-3 pieces for the fall to get me right. Okay, so like always, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time I drop a new video. And show your girl some love, show your girl some support, and I will see you in the next one. I love you.